That is windy. So it's blowing like over 20 miles an hour. Impromptu mic test. It's the Rode Micro with the big old wind muff you can see there. So see how well it holds up in this with these winds, but we know for sure it's blowing over 20 miles an hour. So should you buy one? Should you use the muff? You probably should use the muff, because if I take the muff off, the dead cat. Let's put that on. And now hopefully it's a lot better. I'm wondering, because this is a lot of wind for these. Typically I've noticed these are good till about 14, maybe 15 miles an hour, but I'm not sure about this. Now it's blowing, wind's blowing directly into the mic. That's with the muff on. Out the muff. Okay, that was with and then without the muff. Forecasted for over 20 miles an hour today. Gusts up to like 25. Rode Micro with the this little dead cat that it comes with. There you go. Test out.